Hello all, welcome to my channel Tech Research. Today I came up with a very interesting topic for this video, how to select your PhD topic. I received a request from many of my viewers to make this video because they are facing quite difficulty like how to approach for selecting a PhD topic. Some said that they have qualified entrance, they have a supervisor, but they are in a confused state how to select a proper PhD topic or else what could be the right PhD topic for them. So this video is dedicated for all those who are looking or aiming to come up with an answer for how to select a PhD topic. It is comprised of a step process. Just follow all the steps that I mentioned you in this video. Please watch this video till end so you'll not miss any of the step, and I'm going to share you a bonus tip that will be helpful for you for selecting your PhD topic. So let's see what are the steps to find your PhD topic. As you can see, it is a total 6-step process, and each steps involve certain steps that you need to carry out. Let's see in detail what each step has for you. Step 1. Research the state of art in your field. In this, identify 5 to 10 keywords for a literature survey. Then specify your search regarding literature database such as publishing dates, or geographic areas, or applied methods or approaches. Just try to study in detail about the different research papers. And finally, collect notes and summaries of articles as you read go, and keeping reference numbers with your notes so you can always revisit articles. The next step is brainstorm project ideas. In this, after having a complete literature survey in step number 1 and detailing about all the research papers, just try to write down all the project ideas that come to your mind. Just collect all your thoughts without critically evaluating them at this stage. Give a pause and revisit those ideas after a week, and crossing out the ideas which you think you cannot perceive and highlighting those which are helpful to you. If something new comes to your mind at this stage, just add it into your list. At this stage, it is very essential that you brainstorm your project ideas, because this will give you more new ideas and you will understand what you're aiming for your research for like 3 to 4 years. I do recommend to have regular gaps or pauses while having this brainstorm session. Step number 3, it involves narrow down your ideas. Go through your brainstorm list. Now you have a complete brainstorm list with you. Narrow it down to best 2-3 ideas. For example, you listed 20 to 30 ideas. Out of that, just try to make it short, 2 to 3 ideas. Expand on each promising idea and brainstorming day by day. Just work on one idea per day and try to make and highlight all the key points related to that idea. In this, jot down all the research questions, research knowledge, ideas, experiments, how to gather the empirical evidence, hypothesis, etc. Whatever you require to implement that particular idea, just try to make down a list of all that related to that idea. In next step 4, now it's time to prepare project sketches. Now you have with you 2 to 3 ideas. You have drafted the relevance methods, projected outcomes, research experiment, everything related to that 2 to 3 ideas. Now you have to think about that idea in detail. Identify a quiet place for you. Try to do this activity in early morning. It helps a lot because our brain is more active. Again, it depends on person to person. Some people are more active at night. How it suits you and your personality. Just feel free to understand and read your mind, and try to imagine how you're going to feel with this research idea, because you have to work for this research idea for 3 to 4 years. And it's very important that you love the idea. You must able to enjoy the research. So try to draft a project sketch for all 2 to 3 ideas. The next step, step number 5, discuss with your supervisors. Prepared draft must be discussed with your supervisor. Give a detailed information to them. Note down all the opinions or suggestions that they have for 2 to 3 ideas that you have prepared a project sketch. And then incorporate their feedback, what they feel about that particular research question or that particular research idea. Once you have done a discussion with your supervisor, taken their opinion and incorporated all the feedback, now it's time to design your last step, step 6, that is decide and develop into statement of objectives. Now in this complete entire steps, once you receive at this stage, you will able to see one topic to be stand out in the entire list. One topic which you feel more comfortable with. You may be able to identify some research question, some research gaps related to that research field. So try to write down the statement of objectives. Also try to include the research questions, what you are expecting or what you are trying to highlight in your research during your PhD. That's it, friends. That's super easy, isn't it? We have started with step 1, where we were confused state of mind, having many more research ideas and exactly not clear where to head. Now after following these stages, you are much clear with what idea you need to pursue or how to find your PhD topic for your further research. Now comes time for bonus step. From my personal experience, what I would suggest is outline high level 2 to 3 domains in your field and just try to read 20 to 30 research papers from each domain. Also try to see which area of expertise your supervisor is. You can take the domain from your supervisor's list and try to read those research papers. When you will read all these papers in detail, I am very sure you will come up with some good research topic where you will able to identify the research gap. If you give some brainstorm sessions after reading all those research papers, definitely you'll come up with a beautiful idea or beautiful research topic where you identified the research gap and now you feel that you can write some research questions related to your PhD topic. I hope now you have cleared with how you can follow this step-by-step process to select the right PhD topic. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned with me for latest notifications in research and technology. Before leaving, please subscribe to my channel Tech Research. See you in next video. Till then, take care. Goodbye.